We'll guide you through how to add box in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that you want to edit. Wait until the spreadsheet loads fully and the worksheet becomes visible on your screen. Take a moment to observe the worksheet layout, including the rows and columns displayed in the grid. Before creating the box, decide where you want to place it within the sheet so that it does not interfere with important data. Next, move your cursor to the top menu bar of the spreadsheet interface. Click the Insert menu to open the available options. After clicking it, observe the drop-down menu appearing on the screen. Look through the list of options until you find the Drawing feature. Click Drawing to open the Drawing window. Wait until the Drawing editor appears on the screen. Inside this editor, observe the various drawing tools available in the toolbar. These tools allow you to create shapes, lines, and text elements. Locate the Shape tool in the Drawing toolbar. Click the Shape drop-down option to view the available shape selections. From the list of shapes, select the rectangle shape to create a box. After selecting the rectangle, move your cursor to the Drawing canvas area. Click and drag your mouse across the canvas to draw the box shape. When the box reaches the desired size, release the mouse to complete the shape. Click the box once to activate the editing options. At this point, you can customize its appearance. For example, you may change the fill color if you want the box to have a colored background. If you want to include text inside the box, click the Text Box tool. Then click inside the box area and type the text you want to display. After entering the text, adjust the text size or change the font style if needed. If the box size does not look right, resize it by dragging the corners of the shape. Continue adjusting the size until it fits your layout. Review the box design carefully in the Drawing editor. Once everything looks correct, click Save and close to insert the box into your spreadsheet. You will then observe the box appearing inside the sheet.